Hello and welcome to this introductory section. My name is Gourav Shah and I am a Devops guy. In order to understand and appreciate where we are going, I believe it's really important to know where we came from. And that is the reason to explain to you what Devops is all about. I have decided to take this unique approach to narrate my story of how I saw DevOps evolve, being part of, being probably a small part of this DevOps movement and being a DevOps practitioner. My career started even before the era of DevOps began. So I've seen it very closely. I've seen the time before DevOps and how the life of an operations engineer was, and how it has DevOps has revolutionized not only the operations engineer's life, and have helped them migrate to more of a DevOps engineering positions, but also has helped organizations of all sizes and shapes to move much faster than before. So I'm going to divide this section into three parts, my story into three parts really. The first part is about past, how we arrived here, how it all started, how the life before DevOps looked like, and how it brought in changes, how it also brought in chaos, how it has matured over the time. And that is the story, that's the past, and how we arrived here is what I'm going to begin with. That's the first part of this section. The second part is where I would talk to you about, and that's when we'll discuss about how does DevOps look like today, all these practices, what are the key practices, what are the really foundations and the pillars of DevOps today on which this entire, the house of DevOps is standing on. The third part is where I would be narrating about how I see the future of DevOps, in which direction it is moving, and how does it look like standing here today at the end of 2019 and beginning of 2020. And I hope this story will provide you with a very unique perspective. So let's get started with that story.